Hannah Jones, Senior Economic Research Analyst at Realtor.com. To close out this holiday week, I'm going to cover the latest data on pending home sales and the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. I'll look at new Realtor.com survey data on how homeowners and potential buyers are feeling about mortgage rates. I'll also cover the latest Realtor.com weekly housing data. And finally, as new grads toss their caps and look to the road ahead, I'll share the top rental markets for recent college graduates. Let's start with pending home sales, which fell sharply in April and also trailed behind 1 year ago. All 4 regions saw contract signings fall on a monthly basis, and most saw an annual decline as well. The latest consumer confidence data offers a counterpoint to subdued pending home sales data. The index surged in May after 5 months of decline, including an uptick in plans to purchase a home. This swing was due in large part to a spike in consumer expectations on the heels of the pause in tariffs on imports from China. The latest Case-Shiller data on home prices in March showed an uptick, led by cities like New York, Chicago, and Cleveland. Elevated home prices and mortgage rates continue to challenge buyers. A Realtor.com survey found that over 1/3 of respondents have delayed purchasing due to high rates, with most only willing to buy if rates drop below 5%. Roughly half of Millennial and Gen Z respondents have delayed their buying plans due to high mortgage rates. However, millennials are planning to forge ahead amid these market headwinds, as nearly 1 in 4 millennial respondents indicated that they plan to buy a home in the next 6 months. Mortgage rates continued to climb this week, following small jumps in the 10-year Treasury yield. Rates are now more than 10 basis points higher than they were in early May, following the U.S. credit downgrade and growing uncertainty over tariff policy. Looking at Realtor.com weekly housing data, we see that growth in both active and new listings was flat compared to the previous week, but price growth picked up. Price per square foot grew slightly faster than overall prices, suggesting a shift in the mix of homes for sale. Finally, degrees have been handed off and new college graduates are preparing for their next chapter. Recent Realtor.com research zeroed in on a list of top rental markets for recent grads. The analysis considered rental affordability and availability, job market strength and stability, and the area's appeal to young people. Leading the list are Austin, Texas, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Overland Park, Kansas, all of which offer affordable rents in attractive locations. You can find all the details, including full reports and our housing data for download, at Realtor.com/research. You can also follow us on X for real-time updates and on Instagram for graphics.